Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I will be giving you 10 amazing benefits of Sudocrem. So number one benefit of Sudocrem is Sudocrem can help to fight acne, remove spots, blemishes, pimples and breakouts. So number two benefit, you can use it as a face mask to avoid breakouts. You use it once in a week. And number three benefit is after you shave, if you are the type that use razor blade to shave, and if you have a bump, you can use Sudocrem for it and it will clear all those bump and rash out. So number four benefit is if you have a dry and cracked heel, this Sudocrem is able to smooth it out for you. And number five benefit, if you have wrinkles on your face, you can apply Sudocrem and it's going to clear those wrinkles away. And number six benefit, if you have insect bites like mosquito bite, apply Sudocrem on the particular area you have insect bite and it's going to just heal it immediately. Number seven benefit, if you run out of primer for your makeup, Sudocrem is a perfect primer for you. You can use a Sudocrem for your makeup and it's gonna stay as a primer for you. So number eight benefit is if you have a sunburn, it can clear up some. So it clear all the sunburn on your face. And number nine benefit, if you have eczema, it's gonna clear those eczema away in no time. So number 10 benefit is if you have a swelling, maybe anywhere you have a swelling, maybe your leg, your face, whatever place you have swelling, just apply the Sudocrem and it's gonna just melt it out. So that is the amazing benefit I can share with you. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.